Think of all the fun I missed. Think of all the fellas that I haven't kissed next year. Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial. Merry Christmas, by the way. I'm Clint, where I teach you guys how to play your favorite songs easily and in detail. So quick disclaimers first, I'm going to be teaching this to you guys as if you're going to be playing this all by yourself with your acoustic or electric guitar. And aside from that, I'm going to be teaching this to you guys as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. But yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so when it comes to the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. And all in all, it's going to be the G7 chord, C major 7, A7, D7, and then after that, it's going to be the G major 7 chord, E7, G sharp 7, D minor 7, and lastly, the C sharp diminished 7 chord. Okay, so when it comes to the plucking pattern that we're going to use for this song, allow me to demonstrate. It's just going to be like this. Just like that. So allow me to break that down for you guys. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to be plucking the bass string, which could either be the lower E string or the A string, depending on the root note of the chord that you're playing at the time. And then the D, G, and the B strings all together. Then slapping your fretboard. Yep. Just like that. And for chords such as the C major 7 chord, your bass note is going to be on the A string, so your bass string is going to be the A string. Yep. And for chords such as the A7 chord, your bass note is going to be the lower E string, so your bass is going to be the lower E string. Yep. C major 7, A7. Yep, and with that said, that entire plucking pattern will be worked for 2 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. Okay, so when it comes to the intro section of this song, there's going to be 2 parts. First half is going to be a sort of bass walk, for lack of a better term, at the beginning, and then followed by a chord progression afterwards. So, the tab for the riff at the beginning is going to be this one right here. And that's going to be like this. Open string on the lower E string, the 3rd fret lower E string, then 2nd fret on the A string. Yep, a bit faster, it's going to be like this. Yep, just those 3 notes. And then the C major 7 chord for 2 counts afterwards. C sharp diminished 7 for 2 counts, the minor 7 chord for 2 counts, and then the G7 chord for 2 counts as well. Yep, it's going to be like this. Then after that, just repeating that part of the chord progression one more time. So once again, C major 7, then this one, D minor 7, then G7. Yep, and all together, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, so when it comes to the 1st, 2nd, as well as the 4th verse section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Santa baby, slip a sable under the tree for me. Been an awful good girl, Santa baby, hurry down the chimney tonight. Okay, so when it comes to the chorus sections of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Think of all the fun I missed. Think of all the fellas that I haven't kissed. Next year I'll be just as good if you check off my Christmas list. Okay, so when it comes to the 2nd verse section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Santa baby, I want a yacht and really that's not And lastly, for the outro section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. And yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for reaching this far into the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated with future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And I'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks smile down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other Laufey guitar tutorials, or any guitar tutorials for that matter, just check these ones out. It's pretty cool. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And Merry Christmas and a happy holiday to you guys. Peace.